The Fiat Argo was initially introduced as a subcompact hatchback that was specifically designed for the South American market. This model, which succeeded the Fiat Punto and Fiat Palio, was designed with a modern and athletic aesthetic to appeal to younger demographics. Although this rumor is merely a figment of the imagination, it is hoped that it will serve as a source of inspiration in the future. The Argo is equipped with a variety of engine options, including gasoline and flex-fuel variants, as well as innovative features like a touchscreen infotainment system and sufficient safety technologies for its class. In 2022, Fiat updated the Argo's bumpers, front grille, alloys, and interior design during a facelift. The Argo's competitive edge in the market was maintained through these modifications. Nevertheless, there are speculations that Fiat is preparing a significant update for both the Argo and its sedan version, the Fiat Cronos, as 2025 approaches. It is anticipated that the 2025 model will incorporate more sophisticated technology, superior interior materials, and design modifications to preserve its appeal. The Fiat Argo has emerged as one of Fiat's most significant models in South America, distinguished by its adaptability to consumer requirements, robust performance, and appealing design.